Save money with Arlington's non-metallic NM cable connectors. They're the lowest cost NM cable connectors on the market and the fastest to install. Simply push the connector into the knockout and you're done. Listed for a wide range of single or multiple cable sizes, Arlington's white button NM94X connector offers smooth, easy cable insertion into a single opening, from inside an existing box or from the outside of a new work box. Need to remove the connector? That's easy with a pair of pliers or a screwdriver. Plus, NM94X is UL listed and exceeds both UL and CSA pullout requirements. Get easy push-in installation from inside or outside a box with the white button NM94X at the same cost as our popular NM94.